I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry effectively. Start by building a solid foundation. Ensure you truly grasp the basic principles before moving to more complex ideas. Don't just read. Actively engage with the material by solving problems. Consistent review of earlier topics is crucial for long-term retention and deeper understanding. Chemistry is a hands-on subject, so practice is paramount. Don't shy away from challenging problems. Embrace them. Try to solve each problem on your own first, even if it takes time. This process helps identify gaps in your knowledge. Focus extra effort on those specific areas to turn weaknesses into strengths. Beyond rote memorization, true conceptual understanding is key. Try to visualize what's happening at the atomic and molecular level. Connect new topics to what you already know, building a comprehensive mental map. Explaining concepts aloud to yourself or others can reveal any misunderstandings and solidify your grasp. Optimize your study time for maximum retention and less burnout. Aim for focused study sessions, perhaps around 45 minutes, followed by a short break. This method improves concentration. Joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, offering new perspectives and helping clarify difficult concepts through discussion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.